How to do Squarespace Blueprint AI. In order to do that, you first need to head over and sign off for an account on Squarespace. Once you have it, head over to accounts.squarespace.com and click on this Create a Website. You will be redirected to the templates directory, so you will be asked some questions to get started. For example, in this case, let's input right here some topics that we wish to use. I'll input right here art, click on next, and choose right here the goal of your site. For example, right here, let's choose the sale membership, publishing blog, collecting donations, building community, and promoting physical business. Just click onto this next, and in here you can see Blueprint AI. Click onto this build a template using Blueprint AI, and then after that, this will load in order to show up or get us set up into Blueprint AI itself. It will ask you here again some questions, so make sure to answer it. Click on next. Choosing here again what you want to do with this. Click on next. And after that, input right here the site information that you wish to use. For example, let's name our actual site. Input right here the personality. And after that, this will load AI generated content for you. Choose right here the pages that you want to build for your homepage. Let's input right here this. After that, click on next. Choosing here the pages that you want to have and click on next. After that, choosing here the color that you wish to utilize. You have in here a lot of options to choose from. I'll choosing here this one and click on next. After that, it will ask you for the fonts that you wish. I'll choosing here this and click on next right here. After that, this will finish and this will create the website for you. So just wait for this to actually create it. And from in there, you should be able to access already the site that has been created for you by Blueprint AI. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.